Well, hello and welcome to a special supplemental levy edition of D93 News.
On March 14th, voters in D93 will be asked to approve the supplemental levy, which helps bridge the funding gap from the state.
Now, taxes will not go up or down based on the results of this vote. Voting yes simply allows the district to use those funds for educational purposes.
Now, we can't emphasize that enough. Joining us now is Guy Wangsgard. Guy is the Chief Financial and Operations Officer for D93. Guy, why is this vote so vital?
So the levy is called supplemental levy, but it's really a critical levy for our district. The levy pays for salaries and benefits that the state does not pay for. If we were only able to pay employees what the state paid us, we would have a very difficult time attracting and retaining teaching and non-teaching staff.
Now, we mentioned earlier that taxes will not be affected. It only allows us to use those funds for educational purposes. Please explain how that works.
Okay, great question. Because the market value of our district continues to go up, we're able to increase the amount of the levy without increasing taxes. The rate that was set when the bond was passed for the high school will be able to maintain that same rate.
10 years ago, half the district in Idaho had supplemental levies. Today, more than 80% of the districts in the state rely on them. Why do you think that is?
Two things have happened. In 2006, the Idaho legislature changed the property tax laws and reduced property taxes significantly for all patrons. And so communities voted to either increase existing levies or add levies in districts that didn't have them before. And also with the recession, state funding has gone down significantly, and communities have chosen to replace that with supplemental levies.
As Sam mentioned, nearly 81% of the districts in the state are now using the supplemental levies. And that includes many of our neighbors, D25, D91. How does D93 compare to those guys?
Yeah, if you were to look just at the districts our size close to us, we are at the bottom. If we were to look at the statewide, districts our size or larger, we're also very near the bottom. If the levy passes that is on the ballot for March, if you look at it on a per student basis, we'll be right in the middle of districts our size.
Burden to D93 taxpayers, they try and keep it low. It's a very conservative area, Sam.
Absolutely. Thanks, Guy. We appreciate
You're
all
welcome.
this information to get out to our patrons. The supplementary levy is March 14th, and we'll be bringing you more information as it gets closer to that time.